everyone, this is Ron with MCC Roof. I'm excited to let you guys know we are now installing UrShield shingles. Bill, why did you and Johnny decide to put UrShield on your house?
She is form, I am function. And she liked it because of the way it looks. It's different from any place else in the neighborhood. Everybody else has the regular asphalt shingles, and this is gonna look like an actual slate roof, and she's in love with that. I am, on the other hand, a little more pragmatic. The 50-year hail-proof warranty with 160 knot wind, knowing that I'm not gonna have to use my 2% deductible next time I have an insurance claim. And this is just, I think that it's just gonna reduce my insurance rates, but I know it's gonna reduce what I have to pay in the future. It's like paying next time's deductible just for good.